On the first day of the Paris 2024 Olympics, the global stage was set for a spectacular display of athletic excellence. The United States stole the spotlight with two remarkable gold medals. The first victory came in the men's 100-meter sprint, a race that electrified the crowd as the American sprinter crossed the finish line with a blistering time. Not long after, the swimming competition saw another American athlete claim gold in a nail-biting finish, demonstrating exceptional prowess and determination. Hosts France shared in the glory with a stunning gold medal performance in shooting. The event was marked by intense and exciting competition, with the French shooter narrowly edging out their closest rivals to stand atop the podium. The atmosphere was palpable, with the home crowd's cheers echoing throughout the venue. Boxing brought fresh faces to the forefront as new names emerged on the podium. Their performances were nothing short of impressive, showcasing the depth of talent and the rigorous preparation that went into these games. These athletes, with their skill and tenacity, have certainly set the stage for compelling storylines in the days to come. The athletics events were a testament to the boundless human spirit, with many countries delivering outstanding performances. New records were shattered, adding a sense of historic achievement to the day's proceedings. The competition was fierce, but it was underscored by a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect among all participants. These highlights mark a strong start to the Paris 2024 Olympics, illustrating the high level of competition and the emergence of new talents. As the games progress, we can only anticipate more extraordinary moments, records broken, and inspiring stories from athletes around the world. The first day has set a tone of excellence, excitement, and unity, promising an unforgettable Olympic Games.